Hey everybody, welcome to Bad Wrench Automotive. Okay, so in some parts of the country we have to do daylight savings time, meaning that our time fluctuates. In the fall, we lose an hour, in the spring, we gain an hour. Well, a lot of vehicles still don't automatically update, and some of them won't update properly, so you still might have to adjust it on your own. I'm going to go over some of the vehicles I've got, but today we're doing our 2013 Silverado. So if you have a Silverado, Suburban, Sierra, or Yukon, as long as you have this style radio, this is how you're going to go about adjusting the time on it so that it's correct. The reason I like to do this is sometimes I don't like reaching for things while I'm driving, and it's easier to see the time display on the dash than it is to try to mess around with trying to grab something else that has the time on it. So I usually set mine on the vehicles that I drive regularly. My storage vehicles, I don't really adjust those because they sit during the winter. But let me turn you around and let's take a look at this radio. Okay, so here is our radio. If you have this style radio, this is how you're going to adjust it. There's going to be a little time symbol here. You hit this time symbol with the radio on, of course, and it's going to give you options. I can go here to the hour, and then I can adjust it right here off of the sound knob here. So I'm going to set mine, and then I'm going to hit the clock again, and my time has been changed. So this should reflect the current time for daylight savings. And as you guys saw in that menu, I can adjust the date as well. So if I need to adjust the date, also if I hit this arrow button, I can select how it reads out. I can go to a 24-hour day. I'll show you guys here. I can go to a 24-hour day, and I can also change the layout of the date as well. But I don't need to do that. Actually, I like it the way it is right there. So I'm going to leave it like that. So a little pro tip if you guys are buying a vehicle. If you're buying a vehicle and you notice that the time isn't set on the radio, that means that either the vehicle has sat for a longer period of time, or somebody didn't really care enough to set that clock. I look at it as if somebody kept the clock up to date, more than likely they were willing to take care of the vehicle because it was something they cared about. It's a small thing, but that little small detail kind of tells you how the vehicle was taken care of. Guys, again, this was on a 2013 Silverado, which would be in the years of 07 to 2013. If you have that style radio, that's how you would set it. Guys, thank you for all the support. Continue hitting the like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you get notified when I drop new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.